everyone, this is Aya Limbo and welcome back to the Printerie's YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you a new wallpaper transformation of one of Philippines' best influencers, Camille Co. So let's all continue watching to see the transformation of Sienna's room.
Needless to say, she loved it.
Thanks for watching! For more information and latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages at theprinterie.shop. And stay tuned for our next wallpaper transformation.